There's a saying, my friend, that if you want to know a man, go to his thoughts. Wow. Alright, so we cannot control our past thoughts. Okay, but we can just leave the circumstances with it. Because whatever the past thoughts, it could cause a reality for our current, what we have right now. Our future thoughts as well, we cannot do anything. Because we cannot alter that, we cannot change that. Future is never happened yet. But what we can control is the thoughts that we have today. The thoughts that we have now at this moment only, my friend. If we could control our thoughts, then we could control the outcome of our circumstances in the future, or we could alter our reality, depending the thoughts, what we are going to be manifested, or what we're going to keep entertained. Wow!